Hey beautiful people, welcome to the channel. I have suddenly been motivated to start a YouTube channel looking at all these amazing creators out there. So before starting, the two people that inspired me to do this is first my best friend Shivangi Sa. She has a YouTube channel called The Design Palette and you guys should definitely subscribe to her channel, especially if you guys have kids at home. Her channel revolves around DIY art and crafts and I'm sure they're going to love it. And the second one is my first cousin Akshata Shivai. She has a YouTube channel that focuses on makeup and some really fun daily vlogs. So please subscribe to both these channels. And at the top of my mind, I have a bunch of topics that I can work on, but I'm going to need your help for me to narrow down on one topic for my next video. I mean, all those topics are going to be covered in the future videos, but the order of the videos is going to be decided by you guys. I will get to those topics by the end of this video, so please keep watching. But before that, let me tell you why I wish to start this video or what is on my mind right now. So of course, us millennials, whenever we wish to do something new, we try to look for other people's experiences and learnings and do's and don'ts, because who has the time for trial and error, right? And I won't deny I'm super grateful for the knowledge pool that we have access to. So exactly like I said, I went through a lot of videos of YouTubers telling us, guiding us how to start or what to say and what to avoid, etc. And by the end of it, most of them suggested that I should have a niche. In simpler words, to have a dedicated content space where I can identify with a particular target audience. But by the time you finish watching this video, you will realize that all the topics are poles apart and there is no particular genre. And very frankly speaking, I don't know how to do that, given that I live such a colorful life, black and white included, that I cannot focus on one particular aspect that I can put on this channel. And I'm sure so many of you guys are going to relate with me. It's like I'm trying to build a community of jack of all trades but master of none. So here I am and I welcome you all with all my heart. I am 25 and the past 1.5 years has shown us how life is so unpredictable, it's so short and hence so worthy to not give a try to what you actually wish to do, however small you start. Here I am trying to make a difference by just existing, and by the end of this video, if I happen to make even one person smile, I think this will be a success. So here comes a time when I need your support. I'm going to name all the topics that I would like to start, that are on the top of my mind right now that we can start with. I will briefly talk about each topic and you guys please comment down below and tell me which one would you be interested in the most. So the first topic would be Dora Dori, a brand that we started in December 2019 along with my mother, and we make macrame accessories and decor. So in this video I can talk about the story of this brand, how did we start and how were the initial stages and how is it going now, tips and tricks or maybe some do's and don'ts to start a new small business. I will link the account in the description box, please give it a check. And you can also comment down below all the questions you have regarding starting a small business. I can, with the little experience that I have, I can probably guide you through. So now the second, third, fourth and fifth video options are all hauls. So the second topic is a thrifting haul. In the past 1.5 years, I have thrifted a bunch of clothes which I absolutely adore. And in these 1.5 years, I haven't gone out of my house. I've hardly gone out of my house. Most of the time was in lockdown and I work for IKEA. So at work, I have to wear a uniform. So these clothes are just lying in my wardrobe. I think you would love to see. So I discovered thrifting on Instagram last year and I haven't stopped since. Plus it's going to be under 500 hauls, so keep watching. Please comment down below if you would want this to be the next video. The third one is the Ajio haul. It's under 400 haul. You guys should not miss at all. Most of the items are under 300 and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So if you want a Ajio haul, please comment down below. The next haul will be the Myntra haul. My all-time favorite, guys. Again, I cannot choose. Please help me choose which one should I do first. The Myntra haul is going to be under 600. I think that's a steal, right? I have a lot of things. I'm going to do under 1,000 haul from all of these 3 platforms soon. But I think 500, 400, 600 is a steal. So I'm sure you guys are excited. Okay, and the next topic will be Amazon/IKEA haul. So actually, we got our house renovated last year. We started in December 2019 again, and it was in the mid of getting completed by March 2020, and we were under lockdown, so it did not happen. And then by the end of by the end of last year, that is by October, November 2020, it was completely done. And after post that, we started ordering stuff from Amazon and IKEA to decorate the house, or most of them are just bare necessities. So I would love to show some of those products which we absolutely love and would highly recommend. So if you like this, please comment down below. And the last option is a home tour. The crow does not want me to do that. Okay. Like I said, we just renovated our house. So this is a 300 square feet apartment. It's a 1-room kitchen. If you would like to see how we redid our house, how did we plan, what's the layout, and most of the stuff is planned by my mom. The homemaker, she's the queen of the house, so it's all done mostly according to her. I know this size is too small, especially for everyone who's watching who is not from Bombay. You might think that 300 square feet is like nothing probably, but just to burst your bubble, this is a very average sized house that a middle class or a lower middle class person can own in South Bombay. So I'm sure you're going to be excited to see how we have done this one. So I've given you 6 options. Please comment down and tell me which one would you like my next video to be on. And thank you for watching. This is my first video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to stick around and show you guys some really good stuff. Also, if you guys have anything else in your mind or any feedback, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.